Welcome to my project ideas. This is an ongoing series where we learn how to buy hosting, how to buy domain name, and then we create a website on top of that. So in this video, we'll learn how to buy hosting from any of the hosting provider in the market. So the one that we are going to choose is GoDaddy, but you can choose any other website which provide hosting. And when you visit this website, you see this option of hosting. You click on this particular option, and then you choose a plan. So since we are planning for WordPress hosting, we can choose that, but ultimately any one of them you can choose. And once you choose that, it gives you multiple options. So we'll explore each of them one by one. So it starts with a simple web hosting starter where you pay a very little amount, that is less than $1. It's around 119 Indian rupees. And in individual plans, you see a different options are provided. Like in the first one, you see one website is supported, 10 GB of storage is there. And in the next one, where you see web hosting economy, you see one website is there, but the storage is more. It is 25 GB. It has 10 databases. It has free professional email IDs. So individual hosting plans suits individual people, right? So if you are planning for a basic website, you can choose the starter one. When you plan to expand a website, you want to have e-commerce website, or suppose you want to launch a social media website, you will need even better one, right? You can choose high performance plans. So choose the one that is best suited to your requirement. We do recommend, like, if you are getting started with a very basic one, start with web hosting starter. Just click on buy now, and it will add this particular starting package to your cart. So you see we have clicked buy now, and it will be added in our cart. And by default it has given me an option for 36 months, but you can always switch to 12 months, with lower cost. So whatever suits your budget. And once you do that, it will recalculate the value that's calculated now in your screen. You can see that, right? Yeah. So just continue cart. And once you plan to buy this particular domain, you need to create either a new ID on GoDaddy, or you can sign in. Perfect. So when I click on sign in, I am signed in the account, and now I can plan to buy this hosting services. So I'm going to choose the one that is saved, the first one. Perfect. So now with hosting, a lot of other services are provided, like web security standard, professional email IDs. In case you need these services, you can add it here, or you can just skip it. And here too, you can switch the number of months. So we want to go with the lowest price. So we'll go with that. In case you have promo code, you can provide that also here. And the last part is the billing part, where you provide the billing name, first name, last name, phone number, building, and address. And also you can provide the organization name, and GST or tax number to get tax redemption here. And then you choose the payment method. That's it. And you click on buy now, and you pay the charges whatever is mentioned here, and you have the hosting. So in the next video, we'll learn how to connect your domain with your hosting. I believe this video was helpful to you. We'll meet it in another video. Thank you very much.